Welcome to the Star Trek versus Star Wars 3-day, 28 artists from around the world. May the Force be with you versus Live Long and Prosper collaboration. All put on by the amazing and incredible Donna by It's Art by Donna. Thank you for all that you do.
Hello! I am coming to you from a galaxy not so far away. We have seen Imperial fighters coming to your galaxy. This spells ultimate doom unless you've listened and followed the instructions very closely. We are sending to you our little robot friend named
R-do-3-do.
Inside, he has a holographic message that will explain to you how you will create the map you need to follow and get to the next galaxy where you will be safe. That gives us enough time to fight off the Imperial Army. I am not going to be able to help you much longer as our ship was attacked and it is imminent doom for me. But I had to get out this message to save you, Earth. Please heed my warnings. It is very, very important that you are...
This is Guru de Boo Boo, friend of Odie Von Kahoni. We have devised a way to transfer the information of a hidden galaxy that you need to evacuate to. It will take a fluid artist to create the map showing the galaxy you are looking for. Have them follow the instructions precisely, or I'll fear for your existence. This message will self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We have received our orders. Let's do what we can do to save the galaxy.
Although I was working on another project, when I got the special instructions from the Space Council, I got started right away. I scraped what I had originally, and I started working on following the instructions precisely as they were given to me. The first instruction was to lay down a pillow of Color to Go by Sherwin-Williams extra white pillow paint. Then, the first color I was instructed to use in a elongated stripe was Liquitex Fluorescent Green, followed by Liquitex Fluorescent Pink, followed by a combination of Liquitex Fluorescent Blue and TLP's Rave. I was supposed to drizzle that on precisely like this. Then I added some Liquitex Deep Violet in a wave-like design. Just like so. Next, I was to add some Deco Art Metallic Sapphire, followed by some TLP's Abalone, mixed with my bloom recipe. From there, I was to center it and allow the paints to open up a little. Now, I'm going to create a hide and reveal painting by covering up the colors I just laid down with a faux pillow made with Amsterdam oxide black. The most important part was that I just covered up all of the colors that I just laid down. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now I will pop some air bubbles. Technology in the future is amazing how they can determine what my painting will say and do, and how it will lead us to our destiny. So as you notice, I am using my palette knife with some cell activators of Amsterdam oxide black and Kappa, and I am digging in to beneath the pillow paint, the faux pillow of the black, and swiping into the colors that are underneath to allow them to pop up through with the cells and the lacing as I drag my palette knife through. You can see just hints of things starting. So now it's time to scoop and drag in the specific order and direction I was given. I don't know how they knew, but they did. So I just followed the directions, and somehow it's going to show us the next galaxy. I'm going to put some music on and let you sit back and enjoy the process. I didn't like this section, so I'm kind of trying to pour it off. I love this section. I wanted it elongated and opened up.
I think we've saved the galaxy. Because this is freaking awesome. I love it. Time for a flyover. It's freaking gorgeous. Wow. Look at that. Oh my, oh my. I love that center. And there you have it. That's the galaxy we're looking for. The one that will save our planet. I mean, wow. That's incredible. Oh, I gotta check that out under a black light too. See what happens. The coordinates have been sent to the Republic. They were able to use this painting as a map to the nearby hidden galaxy called the Snicker Galaxy, where we will have to escape to. Prepare yourself for evacuation from this planet. More instructions will be forthcoming. Please stay tuned. In all seriousness, this was a very fun and exciting collaboration. It is a 3-day Star Wars versus Star Trek 28 artists from around the world collaboration. Make sure you check out all the other artists. Before me was Kim's Art Alchemy. Be sure you go back and watch her if you missed her. And up next is the incredibly talented Just Janice. And as always, we want to thank Donna from It's Art by Donna for all the hard work she did putting on this collaboration. I'm Patty with Let's Pour with Patty, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, keep creating. Bye.